some thermoforming machines. We are a Swiss company based in Stabio, very close to Italian border. I'm responsible for Pakistani market, and it's a pleasure for me to represent my company during this exhibition. We are a leader in manufacturing thermoforming machine, steel roll cut machine, and also for tilting machine for mono-use products.
You tell me about your company history. How many years your company has manufactured this technology?
So we are a family company. We are in 73 people that work inside. We have several references and everywhere. We have a lot of references in Europe, but also in Asia. We have a famous reference in Pakistan, the customer Crystalite, where we installed 2 machines in Pakistan and 1 for the other facilities in Abu Dhabi in Emirates.
You believe you sell the machines or you sell the solutions?
Yes, for sure. It's our target. We want to represent our company and to sell top quality machines, sell solution for to solve problems present in the market. So we are a European brand, and usually the European brands have a top quality machine.
Give the solution. European means give the solution, not give the machines.
Yes, correct.
Because they stay with the customers ever, because they have technical issues for everything.
Correct.
24 hours they available.
Yes. We have we can guarantee an after-sales service to 24 hours are available. We can also send our technician everywhere, but first of all, when the customer...
One question is, what about the customers' relations, this company, they want return back to back or one time?
Yes. So usually our customers are happy because we can sell not only the machine but also the solution. This is the reason that some customer, for example, Crystal Light in Pakistan, buy again our machines.
Yeah, this means you give the good machines.